Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to implement primary key constraint and foreign key constraint. So let's start with primary key constraint. You can apply primary key at column level or at table level. And primary keys can be defined in create table or alter table statement. So let's start with the create table statement. How to implement primary key with create table statement. Create your table, create table student, admission number integer, size is 4, apply primary key for column admission number. A primary key values should be unique. The column of a primary key cannot contain null values. So we cannot enter any null values for column admission number, and it will not accept duplicate values. Next column is variable character. Okay, so these are two columns. Now let's insert some records. Insert into table name, values, admission number 101, name is Pankaj. Now here I am repeating the same value for column admission number, so it will gives you an error because we cannot enter duplicate values for primary key. And primary key does not allow to enter any null values also. So here you can see we can apply primary key at column level. Now let's see how to apply primary key at table level. For this, create table student 1, admission number integer, roll number integer, then name. Now I want to apply primary key for column admission number or roll number. So here is your primary key at table level. We can also implement primary key with alter table statement. If your table is already exist, for example, create table student 3, admission number, the size, name, variable characters. So here is your table that is already exists. Now I want to implement primary key constraint for column admission number with alter statement. Alter table, table name, add primary key and the column name for which you want to apply primary key. That's it. Now let's understand the concept of foreign key constraint. Basically, a foreign key creates a link between two tables by one specific columns of both tables, and the specified columns in one table must be a primary key and referred by the column of another table known as foreign key. So let's understand how to implement primary key or foreign key together. Here I am creating a table school, admission number, primary key, name, variable character, size 10, address, variable character, size 10. So here in a school table I am using primary key constraint for column admission number. One more table I am creating here, create table hostel, admission number, int, you can apply primary key if you want, then room number, integer, size. Now apply foreign key, admission number, references, parent table name, that is school is our parent table name, and hostel is the child table. So when we applied foreign key in a child table, it must be compulsory to have a primary key in table or in parent table. So reference is school and the column name is admission number. On delete, cascade. That's it. So here both the tables are interlinked together. Here school is the parent table and hostel is our child table. We applied foreign key always in child table, but before applying foreign key, it's compulsory to have a primary key in your parent table. So now let's insert some records and see the working of foreign key. Insert into my parent table is school, insert into school, values, admission number 101, name Ajay, address Panipat. Again, one more record I want to insert in my parent table. The admission number is 102, name is Vijay, and address is Ambala. Now these two students are added in our school table, and admission number 102, that is Vijay, wants to take admission in hostel also. So let's insert the record, insert into hostel, values, the admission number of Vijay is 102. Now allot a room number, that is 2. Okay, so now you can see, select star from my parent table name, and here is my child table name. The first rule is we cannot insert any records in child table which does not exist in parent table. For example, insert into hostel and insert the admission number 103, which is not in our parent table, room number 1. So if you enter that value, it will gives you an error, and it is known as referential integrity. The second rule is, if we delete any record from parent table, it will automatically cascade or delete record from your child table. For example, we want to remove Vijay, the admission number is 102, so delete it from your parent table, delete from school where admission number equal to 102. Now you can see your record has been removed from your parent table, as well as it will automatically removed from your child table. So that's all about primary key and foreign key. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, then please write an email. Thank you.